Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Windows asking for your PIN instead of the password every time you try to log in to a Windows account. The first thing that you need to do to permanently stop this, you need to actually sign in onto your PC. If you can't do this because you actually forgot the PIN, you can try to click on the sign in options and sign in with your password instead. After you do that, you need to click on the start menu as you see from here and search for the settings. After that, hit on enter, and now the settings will open. You need to actually go to accounts section as see from here, and then you need to click on sign in options. Now you need to click on the PIN. As you see, here's the PIN section. After that, from the sign in options, you will find the PIN section as see from here, which is Windows Hello. You need to click on it and it will open a drop down menu. You need to click on remove PIN as see from here. After you do that, now it will prompt you to actually make sure if you want to remove it, you need to click on remove again, and then you need to write your computer password. After that, the PIN will be removed and you will be able to log in to your computer using your password. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.